Testimony in court today, the mother of Rebecca Zahau breaking down while talking about her daughter's death. 10 News reporter Steve Fiorina was in the courtroom, and Steve, she's convinced that someone murdered her daughter.
She is, and more than 6 years after the death, it's still heavy grief for her. Called to testify in a very difficult day. Bound hand and foot and hanging from a Coronado Mansion balcony, Rebecca Zahau's death in 2011 was ruled a suicide. But her family doesn't believe it, bringing a wrongful death lawsuit against Adam Shacknai, the brother of Rebecca's millionaire boyfriend, who was staying in the guest house.
Did you ever think Rebecca would kill herself?
No, never. My daughter, no. She is very sweet girl and she is very strong, no suicide.
Pari Zahau was handed an envelope with cash in it, and that brought a new round of tears. Rebecca used to send her money every month. The final envelope was never sent. A forensic analyst was next, evaluating fingerprint evidence. This knife had prints only on the blade. The plaintiff's attorney suggesting she was trying to cut the ropes binding her wrists.
It was held or touched, but the fingers on the opposite side of the right thumb are not on the handle.
Asserting that a doorknob should have been covered with prints but had been wiped clean, as was the door above and below the knob, leading her to believe that it was a cover-up to a murder. Cross-examination, though, featured questions about anything that would point to the defendant as the killer.
From a fingerprint standpoint, taking into account everything that you looked at, you did not see any evidence that Adam Shacknai murdered Rebecca, correct?
From a fingerprint standpoint, no.
The jury has gone home for the night and the weekend, back on Monday for new witnesses. This trial expected to last 1 month. Live at the Hall of Justice, Steve Fiorina, 10 News.